Hello and welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn the most used English sentences in everyday life. These sentences will come in handy in every situation: traveling, shopping, restaurants, and dating. Let's get started. Examples. Article 1, Greetings and Introduction. Hi, how are you? Hello. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Where are you from? I'm your name. How's your day going? Are you here for work or travel? Do you speak English? How old are you? What do you do? Article 2, Daily Needs. Can you help me, please? Excuse me, where's the restroom? How much is this? What time is it? Can you repeat that? Do you have Wi-Fi? I need some water. Is this yours? Where's the nearest store? I'm sorry, I don't understand. Article 3, Travel. Where's the airport? How do I get to the train station? Is this the right bus? What time does it leave? I'd like to buy a ticket. How far is it from here? Can you recommend a hotel? Is this my stop? Where can I get a taxi? Can you show me on the map? Article 4, Shopping. How much does this cost? Do you have this in a smaller size? Can I try it on? Is this on sale? Where is the fitting room? Do you accept credit cards? Can I pay in cash? Do you have a receipt? What time do you close? I'm just looking, thank you. Article 5, Restaurants and Cafes. Can I see the menu? I'd like a coffee, please. What do you recommend? Is this dish spicy? Can I get this without onions? Do you have vegetarian options? Can I have some water? Is there a table for two? Can I have the bill, please? Thank you, it was delicious. We have come to the end of today's video. These phrases will make your English conversations much easier. With practice, you can use these expressions easily. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.